In this video, we will discuss evaluating formulas. In order to evaluate a formula, substitute the given values in place of the variables in the equation. Use the rules of algebra to solve the equation for the remaining variable. Evaluate the formula for the specified variable. The formula used to determine the perimeter of a rectangle is P equals 2 times the length plus 2 times the width, where L is the length and W is the width. Find P, or the perimeter, if the width is 5 and the length is 8. First, write the formula. Then, rewrite the formula and replace parentheses for the variables for which we know the value. We will replace W with 5 and L with 8. Now we can determine the perimeter by performing order of operations. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 2 times 5, which is 10. So our perimeter is equal to 26. The formula D equals RT relates distance, rate, and time. Find T, or time, if the rate, or R, is 50 and the distance, D, is 100. First, write the formula. D equals RT. We want to know T, so we will replace the variables D and R with the values that are given. We will replace R with 50 and we will replace D with 100. Now we will solve for T. 50 is being multiplied times T, so to move the 50 to the other side, we will divide both sides by 50. 100 divided by 50 is 2, and 50 divided by 50 is 1, and 1 times T is T, so T equals 2. The formula C equals V over T is used in chemistry to determine how gases expand when heated. Find V if C equals 2.5 and T equals 310. First, write the formula. We have values for C and T, so we will rewrite the formula putting parentheses where the C and the T are. We will replace C with 2.5 and we will replace T with 310. Now we need to solve for V. In order to solve for V, we must move 310. The 310 is attached to the V by division. To undo division, we will multiply both sides by 310. 310 times 2.5 is equal to 775. On this side of the equation, 310 divides out in the numerator and denominator, and we are left with V. So V equals 775. To graph a line, you need to be able to evaluate formulas that represent the equation of a line. For the line 5x minus 9y equals 13, find x if y is 3. We will rewrite the equation. We know the value for y, so we will rewrite the equation putting a parenthesis where our variable y is. Then we will substitute 3 for y. Now we will solve for x. We have 5x minus 9 times 3 is 27 equals 13. Now we will solve for x. We will move this negative 27 to the other side of the equation by adding 27 to both sides. Over here, on the left side, we're left with 5x equals 40. 13 plus 27 is 40. Now, we need to move the 5 to the other side. It is attached to the x by multiplication. To undo multiplication, we will divide by 5 on both sides. 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1, and 1 times x is x. 40 divided by 5 is 8. So the value of x is 8.